Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Dia, and today we're doing a planner unboxing video. I don't do these very often because I just feel like there are so many of these planner unboxings out there, but this one's a little bit different. This is my unicorn dream planner. I've been dreaming about this planner for years now and just kind of never thought it was gonna happen, especially because I wanted it in the undyed EPOCA leather, and it seems nearly impossible to get one of those brand new. I've been on the list forever now to get notifications of when they were restocked, and it's just never worked out. I really started looking into purchasing a used one, but most of them were, I'd say, pretty well used. They weren't gently loved, a lot of them. And then I felt like these get sold for so close to their original price that I would rather have one brand new. So I had it on my vision board for this year. This got delivered to me about a week ago, and I've been on vacation, so I haven't had a chance to open it. About a month ago, when I got the notification that there was a restock, I was getting up at 5 in the morning, and I just happened to look at my emails first thing, which I usually don't do. And there was an email notification that had only been in there a minute or two, and it was from Gillio saying that the planner I wanted was restocked. So I ran on my computer and got online and went to purchase it, had it in my cart, realized that I needed to change my address, went to change my address, went back, and it was sold out. So I thought, okay, I guess it wasn't meant to be. But I went ahead and tried to refresh a couple times and see if I could get it again, and it became available again. So I think maybe somebody else had it in their cart, and then I took it back. So I tried to purchase it again, got all the way through to the credit card part, hit purchase, and it said it was no longer available. And then I thought, you know what, let me just leave the purchase. I don't know if anybody's ever purchased one of these before, but I left it on the purchase screen. I didn't get out of it this time, and I just would hit refresh every once in a while as I was sitting here to see if maybe one would pop up again. And I'd say after a good 10 minutes, I hit refresh and it was in stock again, and I couldn't believe it. So I was already on the page and everything, hit to pay it, and my credit card blocked it. So I ended up putting a different credit card on there that's not as picky as my other credit card. So it recycled, showed that it was available. I quickly hit that purchase link and it was mine. So I got this a couple weeks ago. Like I said, I've been on vacation and it's been sitting on my counter. I'm about to leave again for a few days. So I thought, let me hurry up and open this up. I love the side. It says, open me, it's Gillio o'clock. And believe me, I've been dying to open this thing. So I thought I'd do it on camera and then show you guys switching out my planner. You know, I've never actually seen one of these in person. And I've been watching the unboxings for years now. Oh my gosh. You guys, even this box cover is luxury. This is a luxury planner to me. I feel very blessed to have the ability to purchase it when it became available. And I really hope I love it as much as I thought I would. I'm nervous. This was not a small purchase for me. Here's the dust bag, Gillio Frenzy. Oh, it's already so squishy, I can feel it. I'm nervous, guys. This has been like on my list for so long. Let me make sure my hands are clean. Okay. Oh, that is so gorgeous. Sniff. Oh my gosh, you guys. It's so buttery soft and the color is so gorgeous. I need to sit here a second and squish this. Okay, I do want to show you something. Hold on. I purchased this apricot, which used to be a lot lighter, but I purchased this to keep me from purchasing this, especially because this was so hard to get. And this is my regular one. This isn't the luxe, but I do have to say, I feel like this is a lot thinner than this. This one's kind of heavy and bulky, but here's the side-by-side comparison, and I know this one's gonna get warm and change colors just like this one did a little, but this is a little bit more yellowy. Size is just about the same too. I was wondering if I was gonna be able to really tell the difference between these two, because when I see them on camera or on people's Instagrams, sometimes I really have a hard time telling them apart. This is a really, really smooth leather. This one is a little bit more textured, but I can definitely tell the difference between the two while holding them. And this is just so butter soft. Okay, let me open it up. I thought I got the 25mm rings. I'm pretty sure I did. It's little instructions on how to open the rings. Oh, this is so gorgeous. Yeah, so when I see these two side by side, a lot of times I can't tell it's a Gillio until they open it up, and then I see that and I don't see the little Moterm tag. This is definitely a lot thinner. Oh, this is so gorgeous, you guys. Okay, so I know you guys have seen these 100 times. I went ahead and went with the black pen. Twist it. I've never really seen this. Oh, it's blue. That's a really smooth pen. I like that. We'll see if I use it though. Currently, I have been in this Filofax Malden that I purchased a while ago, and I love this thing. It is so beautiful, but everything's gonna move into this now. I am currently using this as a wallet and my planner, but I don't plan to use it as a wallet. I purchased a wallet from eBay and it took over a month to arrive, and when it finally arrived, it was the wrong wallet. So now I have to send it back so they can send me the right one. So I was temporarily using this as my wallet, but I'll probably have to find somewhere else for all my cards, because I don't know if I want to use this as a wallet. We'll see how it works. Let me see. Okay, we're gonna move everything in here. You guys, this leather is so much thinner. I can't describe the difference. It's just different. Ah. Why am I having such a hard time? I feel like my hole punches aren't aligned very well. Something's going on here. Sometimes my husband uses my hole puncher and then doesn't put it back exactly right. So I think that might be why. Okay, I'm gonna keep the wallet out of it for now. Oh, God. Can you hear that? I love that, sorry. Okay, I miss having the deep back pocket, honestly, because my Filofax doesn't have that. Let me see how I can fit my cards in here, because I need to use this for a while as my wallet until my new wallet gets here. I like that, protecting it. So let me see what I can do. Thought it expired. Oh, do I have anything in this pocket? No, nothing. This is such a ridiculously small pocket. You can't really fit anything in it. Put these coupons in here. Okay. Oh, this is so beautiful. Okay, how am I gonna do this? Yeah, I think my hole punch, my papers some of them are hole punched weird, so it's not sliding correctly. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think these will all fit. And then these ones actually go here. So that's good. Let's see, what else do I have? I don't need that anymore. Couple of coupons, and these, I'm gonna keep this up front here. And then I like that I have this option again, because I like to be able to fold papers in half and then just stick them in. I am not disappointed at all. Do you guys keep your flyleaf in the front or in the back? I feel like a lot of people keep it in the front, and I love how that looks. But when it's not in the back, I feel like sometimes these papers back here kind of get stuck, and that doesn't happen as often when you have the flyleaf in the back. I am so happy. Yeah, love that sound. I like the square edges too. I didn't get a chunky clasp. Oh, I forgot to see if my pen's gonna fit in here. It's a little bit of a tight fit, but I know it'll loosen up because it has the elastic here, and my pen has this grippy stuff right here, so I know that's what's making it harder to get in. If not, I might have to switch pens, but oh, okay, I'm really, really happy with this. Did I mention that this is just personal size, not personal wide, anything else? And I do have regular personal inserts in here. They're not Franklin Covey, and they're not wide, and we fit in here perfect. My tabs, if you can see that, kind of go a little bit past this flap. When I close it, they go a little bit to the pen loop. I'm not really touching it. It's so pretty, you guys. I just want to squish it and hold it all day. Okay, that's about it. I just wanted to show you guys the unboxing of this planner because I've just wanted it for so long, and I can't believe I have it in my collection now. And then I was terrified I wasn't gonna love it as much as I thought I would love it, but I love it. It's beautiful. It really is a beautiful, beautiful planner. I'm gonna go ahead and, sorry, my air just came on. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a quick little flip through of what I have in here. So I just have my yearly calendar section in the front, and I just mark off each day, and then I block off the month once it's over. Then I have my monthly section, and in here I just keep things like when I dyed my hair, if I got my nails done, if I got the dogs groomed, and I got these from Peanuts Planner Co. free printables. And then after that, I have my weekly section. Right now, I have these inserts from Franklin Covey in here. And in this, I just kind of write out anything that I'm doing where I'm gonna be out of the house. So I'll usually have my run club in here, any photo shoots in here that we're doing, dental appointments, any big hiking trips that we're doing, they go in here. And then next is my wellness section, which has my self-care affirmations, my little vision board, and then I also, that's just something that I have in there for reference. And then I also have a cycle tracker and an alcohol tracker, because while I'm doing my training, look, if you look, I'm doing a really good job of not drinking like I used to. Not that I drink too much, but 1 glass of wine a day gets an X in here. And while training, I just think that's too much. So I've been doing a lot better. I am on my off month right now where I'm kind of taking a rest. I have 1 more week before I start training again. So that's why I have some more. Not that you needed to know all that information, but in my task section, I have this main list that I keep in when I want to jot down ideas. I'll just put them here, and then I'll go through this every once in a while to see if there's anything that I can squeeze into my daily to-do list. And these are my daily to-do lists. I tried to do something like this for a while, but it's just too much wasted paper for me. I really like to do this. And then on days where I really don't have much going on, I don't put anything at all. And these are also from Peanuts Planner Co. And it's her checklist one. I believe these are free. I'm not, maybe I'm wrong. I don't know, but these are her checklist ones. I just write to do at the top and then I highlight the day and then I write in my checklist. After that is my YouTube planner, which I haven't been using much lately. And then I have my photography business checklists, planners, so I can keep track of what we're doing. These are also Peanuts Planner Co. And then I have a notes section where things like my Gillio were on here. So I just have that, and sometimes I'll use this paper for other things. And then I have my credit cards in the back, which are not going to stay in the back. They're going to be going into my new wallet, which will hopefully make this a little bit lighter and thinner because I do like to carry it with me everywhere. And that's about it. That's a look at my brand new Gillio. I am so excited that I got my hands on one of these, and I don't plan on selling mine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. If you want to see more from me, be sure to subscribe. And if you want to be notified whenever I post a new video, make sure you hit that notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.